Take a piece of paper. Follow the clues, and draw each place to make a map of the town. Use colors to make your town fun and easy to read. Are you ready?
There is a main road in the middle of the town. It goes from west to east. There is a library in the center of the north side of the road. Opposite the library, there is a bakery on the south side of the road. There is a cinema to the left of the library, towards the west. There is a bank to the right of the library, towards the east. There is a bookshop next to the bank, on the right. There is a school opposite the bank, on the south side of the road. There is a hospital next to the school, on the right. There is a medical center behind the hospital, also on the south side. There is a pharmacy opposite the medical center, on the left. There is a post office next to the pharmacy, on the left. There is a restaurant at the northeast corner of the map. There is a town hall at the northwest corner of the map. There is a square in front of the town hall. There is a museum behind the bank, to the north. There is an art gallery next to the museum, on the right. There is a bus stop in front of the library, facing the main road. There is a fire station at the southeast corner. There is a police station next to the fire station, on the left. There is a toy shop next to the book shop, on the right. There is a flower shop next to the bakery, on the left. There is an ice cream shop behind the flower shop. There is a cafe opposite the restaurant, close to Main Road. There is a park between the restaurant and the cafe. There is a playground in front of the park, on the left. There is a car park behind the post office, at the bottom of the map. There is a shopping center between the art gallery and the restaurant. There is a convenience store next to the cinema, on the left. There is a grocery store, next to the convenience store, on the left. There is a real estate agent, opposite the grocery store, across the road, on the south side. There is a supermarket, next to the real estate, on the left. There is a dentist, next to the hospital, on the right. There is a train station, on the corner, in the southwest of the map. There is a street called Garden Street between the flower shop and the real estate agent, going south. There is a stadium, to the right of the town hall, behind the convenience store, and the cinema. There is a hotel, between the train station and Garden Street. There is a petrol station, opposite the supermarket, on the north side, facing the main road. There is a hairdresser, to the right of the dentist, in front of the fire station. There is a gym, between the hotel and the real estate agent.
Well done. You've done a great job building your town. Compare your map with a partner. Talk about the differences and fix any mistakes together.